Hi guys, in this video we're going to see if plus unique combo formula. So I have a dump here which has names, but we have also blank spaces in between in these names. So when you apply a unique formula here, it reflects as a blank cell in between. If you want to add any error message between these blank cells instead of leaving it blank, you can use if formula and then unique formula together to give an error message. So let's see how to write both the formulas. First of all, to write the unique formula, select unique from the drop down and then select the range, close the parentheses, hit enter. It should give the results of all names with only one instance. But when you want to write an error message for the missing ones, you should select if also along with the unique. I'm going to say unique. If I'm going to select the range is this. Okay, now I'm going to like give a condition that if it is blank, it should say no name, or else it should reflect all the range. Right? If you hit the formula, it will not give you the okay. I guess I have added a different instead of comma I wrote something else, so I removed it. So you can see that it is not reflecting the value because array formula is also necessary when you're using unique plus if. So to do that, I'm going to add array formula here after unique formula. So now it will give you the list of names. Okay. So array formula is always necessary when you have um, list of names, because sometimes Google Sheets gets confused like how to pick the values when there is a huge list. So if you simply add array formula, it gives you the correct results. So thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you in next video.